Welcome back to GNG. Today discuss about how to display calendar. This is first you import calendar and why this is for user input. Take this line and month for this and calendar dot month. When you use a specific month, then I use it 2023. This is for user input. A month is I need a March. This is you get it output. You need to whole year 23 need a calendar. Then you simply this line comment out and this place don't need to month. Displays calendar.calendar because of I don't need to send a month. You see, simply you need to, you see output, you see this is, you like it, then you like me.